Welcome back, guys. This morning I received a mail from one of my viewers stating that she cannot open her registry editor, and she said that she gets some kind of message, and I will show you what kind of message she gets. So when she goes to her registry editor, that is by typing in the run command, like inside the start button, if you press on the run thing, and if you type regedit, that is reg, then edit, reg edit, the registry editor basically this is referring to. And like when we click on OK, you will see that you get a error like this: registry editing has been disabled by your administrator. Now how do we go about solving this? In fact, it's very easy. So just do OK to this, and inside run type gp, that is group policy, and then editor like edit. Same thing, like in that it was reg edit, here it is gp edit, so it's group policy edit. So gp edit dot msc, that you need to type, and like just click on OK. Now in the prompt box which opens up, you will be having the group policy editor which opens up like this. So if you go on the left hand side, you will be having computer configuration and user configuration. Inside the user configuration, you will be then having administrative templates. Just expand the administrative templates, and you will be having like several options, one of which is system. So if you expand the, or rather double click on the system, you will see on the right hand side, I will just expand this. So you will see on the right hand side various things given, but one most important thing if you see is like prevent access to registry editing tools. And you can note the state here, and as you click on anything here, whatever it means, or like whatever the particular thing implies, is on the left hand side for description. So as soon as you click on the prevent access to registry editing tools, you will see that what this thing does. It says that it disables the window registry editor, that is regedit. And this is why, since it is enabled, that is why it is preventing access to the registry editor. Now if we don't want to enable, we want to disable this thing so that people can get access to the registry editor. So how do we go about doing that? Very simple. Just double click on this, and you see that it's enabled, disabled, and not configured. Either you select not configured or either you select disabled, both will work. At this point of time, I will just select disabled, and I will just select on apply, and I will just say OK. And now you see the effect has already taken place, and this writes that disabled, prevent access to registry editing tools has been disabled. So it will not now prevent access to our registry editor. Now, like, this is one of the ways of solving this problem. So as soon as you now go to run, and if you want to go to your registry editor, what you will be typing? Regedit. So sorry, regedit. And now if you go to see inside your regedit, there you go, you have the registry editor neatly with its keys assigned inside. So I just hope I have explained it pretty simply. It's nothing, it's basically very simple. I mean, I will just again do the entire thing so that you will understand what is wrong. Say I go to my group policy settings by typing gp-edit. So group policy editor dot msc, it's very important that here it is dot msc. And like just when we click on go, inside it we need to go to our administrative templates, which is inside user configuration. And when we expand on administrative templates, my system, it seems, has hanged a bit. Yeah, so when we expand it, we have the system thing. We just double click on the systems, and you will see that prevent access to registry editing tools have been disabled. And that is why when we now click on regedit, it will open up. It's a, oh, I have just I have not typed the entire thing, so it should be regedit. And there you go, you have the keys and everything neatly assigned, because I have now disabled it. But say I again enable it, I mean I just double click it again, and I enable prevent, I mean I prevent access to my registry editing tool. I apply this, and I'll just close it and close it, and again you will see I will have the error like regedit. If I try to have access to my registry editor, it will say that it has been disabled by our administrator. So I'm just showing it like how it was and how it can be corrected. So nothing, like I'm just repeating the same thing again and again so that the concept is going into your head. Like I just can go on group policy editor and I just go to my system settings inside administrative templates. Like when I expand on my administrative templates, I will be having system as the last option, and inside systems I then need to go. It's taking some time to load in. There you see. So inside system you will have this prevent access to registry editing tools. You can read all this, these are very important. The most two important things are like the group policy editing and the registry editing. And also I will want to explain the few things. Once I will just enable this, I will disable this so that you can have access to your registry editor. So now when you go to your registry editor, there you have neatly the keys assigned and everything. Now one very important thing is, I'll just close this, is to understand that the group policy thing is normally done by the administrator PC, who can have various PCs connected to his admin server. So you would not want to do this to your admin PC. But if you are on a local PC, then there is absolutely no problem at all. I mean, you can just do this and get it done. But if you want to set up a new group policy and stuff like that, that should always be on the admin PC. And if you are like just one on the local area networks, which is monitored by your group policy, you can see the group policy has was basically to prevent access to the registry editor, because people don't want the registry editor to be touched by other people. And that is why you need to go and specifically customize your access to registry editing tools by disabling the prevention of access to the registry editor. I hope this is very clear now. And like, just to sum up, like now when people go to registry editor, it will smoothly show you the various keys, which includes the local machine, current user, root, and other stuff. So guys, stay tuned in, and please post your comments and let me know how it goes. I received a comment from I think a female, who told me that she is not able to follow one of my videos wherein I tell her to open the registry editor and do some changes, because she was finding to open the registry editor itself because of this thing. And when she told me, I understood it's a very common thing, and I'm making this video for people like her who are finding it difficult to open the registry editor just because of some group policy settings. So post your comments, stay subscribed so that I can revert back to your comments and I can keep uploading more interesting bits. We will shortly see more interesting videos in this registry editor series, because I believe the registry editor and the group policy editor to be one of the most important things which really monitor your PC performance, optimizes it, gets rid of the irritating errors like Watson or exception errors and stuff like that. So having a complete control over this, like having a complete grasp over the registry editors and group policy editor and how they function, will really help you in good stead. With fundamentals like this, whenever you see new videos or new technological blogs, you will not find it difficult to relate to if you have such kind of fundamentals. Thank you. Thank you.